Kwa na kwan kra ye make kwan asem e kwan aye wie kra no obi onu ankasa de no ho ankasa de no otimi twa kwan se me pipe film otwam wi na ode anwa kata so ja odoko na kwan asa edidem na ye kasa na abai we na abai we na abai bibia e ko sha abai when you ankasa ye destroy situation kwa e ko sha abai. I'm here to preach to you this morning. Preaching. Says Sisawadjini as Ghana needs Sisawadjini. If you are only proud as a Ghanaian, or that patriotic spirit in Kwadia, and you might be brave or ya untiminye. And you might be brave, wow, time what the Kwajuma, Abajuma, Uduanum 10, 30, 11. No for back to. What's the Ghana idea? You are contributing to it. We have always become beneficiaries of those lapses, no? It is obi person changing status quo in this country, no? It becomes a problem. On my way na dishonesty enya on ultimi man abeti so dishonesty. On my way na no kureka aba from kra, no kureka aba from kra. No kureka. On my way na bibia edi manyame. The only Christian country in the world. Adi esese yeri ye honi ye di nyansa nyame adom nyansa esese no ezifa manyame. Obi aye mfom so esese atwena so no ezifa manyame. Omai we nkwa na penta betima jusika mesi be jusika so obaye wadwuma ma so no time on no pe no ana no be ba be wadwuma ma time on no pe no o friend ko so sa disturb no wajusika wo. This is the country we are living in. Bibia ya no bibi akwala intimate akwala opanyimu so nya what is right ana omai ni nyina tu agum ana ye kọ na da autopilot omai bia so da autopilot no e ka chwa hwe ya obekwa na pum no akopim no asa atete abawachi. Mesha no pay. Let us think like Ghanaians. Let us love Ghana. Let us be responsible citizens. Let us shift from the old ways now. MYBC now no pay. Name we a different change. Oh yeah, the dada na. They be the dada na now here. Also share him say ubenya change soon. It's not possible. It can be achieved. Uditro also rest no kraba ye adwuma. Ubunipa also rest omi mu. Is that possible? It's not. Oh, hospital bed wo ya bawsi bed ni ho obi di sika ba ye dia onya bed bi ada so. Enti ye wo how ni say yentiasie se ampa ya manyoko fo na mampanyifo ana ba no be chinchim stia ne man. Na mu bra ye chinchim stia ne ye nipa so ye tishe nim no. We have a certain responsibility as a shameful and as citizens of the country. The moment I won't be true free responsibility, no was a problem because Ghana. Now, Obiansu Timmy Fele. Tiawa brighten the corner, Oshe. Baby, Oshe Bian say, you are an ambassador for the country Ghana. You're an ambassador for your good self. You're an ambassador for a year Juma womb, a year Potema womb, a year Pesasha womb, and a year Kura womb.